Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on a spell check on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on a spell check on Google Chrome browser, go to your Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icons on upper right corner, then click on settings. Now click on languages. There you will find an option spell check. Check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages. Now it's turned off. Now click here to turn it on, and then you will find two options: basic spell check and enhanced spell check. Enhanced spell check uses the same spell checker that used in Google search. Text you type in the browser is sent to Google. You can enable it or you can enable basic spell check. I am recommending you to enable basic spell check. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.